Welcome to my channel. Today we count from 1 to 20.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go!
Let's count from 1 to 20. Let's count from 1 to 20. Let's count from 1 to 20. Let's count from 1 to 20.
Let's go! 1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20!
Very good. You did it. You want to try it again? Ready?
Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20!
You want to try it again?
20 to 0.
Very good idea. All right, ready to start?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0!
very good. So we count from 1 to 20 and then back to 0. Very good. Give me some high fives. You did it. You are amazing.
Thanks for watching. Bye.